At London's Heathrow Airport, one of the world's busiest airports, Shenyang Yuanda Intelligence Industry Group, IIG, a Chinese manufacturer, had the honor to record two great achievements thanks to its high quality. Specifically, it was the first time Chinese elevators were ever used in an Olympic game project, and IIG was the first Chinese elevator manufacturer to win any contact from an international airport. A powerful country must have advanced equipment. As history tells, the manufacturing industry is the thermometer of a country's economy, especially so for superpowers. In the blink of an eye, China's economic aggregate has leaped to the second largest in the world, whereas its manufacturing output ranks second to none. Behind China's epic development lies China's key to growth, namely, reform and opening up, innovation, and China's valuable and historic exploration. All good principles should adapt to changing times. And exactly by taking advantage of the rise of China's manufacturing industry, IIG has step by step become a shining star of the industry. IIG carries great expectations and a deep sense of patriotism. Xi Jinping, General Secretary of the Communist Party of China, CPC Central Committee, China's President and Chairman of the CPC Central Military Commission, called for Chinese manufacture to transform Made in China into Created in China, Chinese speed into Chinese quality, Chinese products into Chinese brands. While visiting IIG, he highly praised IIG management's noble aspiration. Li Keqiang, Premier of the State Council, also expressed his wish toward IIG. I hope IIG can reach higher and grow larger. IIG leadership was further recognized by Wang Qishan, Secretary of the Central Commission for Discipline Inspection, as PRC's paragon in reform and opening up. In the past years, IIG was visited and inspected by 2 General Secretaries of the CPC Central Committee, 22 members of the Standing Committee of the Political Bureau and Bureau officials, over 60 domestic and foreign state leaders, and 46 provincial leaders, which in turn have inspired us to remain committed to our cause and keep forging ahead. He who goes all out outruns all others. Since its foundation in 1993, Shenyang Yuanda Enterprise Group, CNYD, has grown into a large conglomerate featuring 5 business operations including intelligent architecture, smart industry, smart agriculture, the science and technology industry and finance, commerce and trade investment, and created 2 publicly listed companies. It was listed many times as Top 100 Chinese Multinationals, ENR 250 Largest International Contractors, Top 500 Chinese Enterprises, and awarded multiple supreme honorary titles, including 82 Luban Awards, the highest honor in China's architecture industry, and China's State Scientific and Technological Progress Award First Prize. As CNYD's core business, IIG evolved from initiating China's independent elevator manufacturing to a smart, sophisticated equipment manufacturer of CAP 1400 nuclear main pump frequency converters, smart grinding robots, collaborative robots, and wind power related devices incorporating cutting-edge new technologies. Its products are widely used in various industries such as aerospace and aviation, maritime and shipping, automobile manufacture, and the rail transit sector. Its subsidiary, Shenyang Brilliant Elevator Company Limited, BLT, in particular is a true industry leader. In its untiring pursuit of transforming from made in China to created in China, BLT has become a pacemaker in terms of China's elevator technology innovation. With RMB 960 millions of registered capital, more than 10 numerically controlled NC production lines, over 50 sets of globally advanced NC manufacture equipment, BLT boasts a combined 560,000 meter squared elevator R&D manufacture base located in Shenyang, Chongqing, Shanghai, and Guangdong. the world's largest, so to speak. It's 177 meter high, the world's third highest iconic elevator testing tower, plus 11 testing shafts and 82 sets of elevator testing and inspection equipment have enabled it to conduct all-round quality tests on 69 different types of elevator parts and components under 21 major categories. Relying on its excellent technological innovation and product R&D capabilities, IIG is able to ensure the functionality and performance of its products at all times. Its patented fire and waterproof elevator evacuation and escape technologies guarantee fast and safe evacuation in cases of high-rise fire disasters. Its patented escalator braking technology can effectively prevent the retrograde movement and overspeed of escalators in uncontrolled state. The successful development of its 10 meter per second high-speed elevator marks a major breakthrough in China's high-speed elevator technology. The strength of the constantly vibrant and dynamic BLT is well known within the industry. In its relentless pursuit of changing from Chinese speed to Chinese quality, BLT remains committed to people's livelihood and well-being. The disarranged market competition in the elevator industry has unfortunately resulted in tragic low-price, low-quality market realities and frequent accidents. Incomplete statistics show that the year 2016 alone witnessed nearly 1,000 injuries and 41 deaths. Quality and perseverance is the key to sustainable development. To create maximum value for our clients with quality plus service represents our ultimate goal. BLT's devotion to the refinement of its each and every part and component was repaid in that its products caused no major safety accidents where severe injury or death was involved. Durability, safety, reliability, and stability. These qualities are especially important in affordable housing and hospital projects where high frequency of use and complicated operational conditions apply. BLT has done everything it could to ensure utmost safety and reliability. The annual failure-free operation time of BLT elevators extends to an extreme of 960,000 times, 20% higher than that of its peers. With an 8-time safety coefficient for its key escalator parts and components and the truss deflection deformation less than 1/1500th, it's the only Chinese AA++ elevator company to have passed the energy efficiency test for escalators over 9 meters. Product safety and reliability is proved and guaranteed by 2 million times of tractor brake tests, 1.2 million times of wire rope flexural fatigue tests, 1 million times of button triggering tests, and a series of other tests like components electrical aging tests, roller loading rotation tests, and components shock resistance tests. And operation safety of its products is guaranteed by 137 X-Work quality control tests through 37 processes, including online debugging and complete elevator trial installation, etc. Convinced that quality plus service will create maximum value for customers, BLT has established a reputation of safety, reliability, and extraordinary service. In its unswerving pursuit to upgrade from Chinese products to Chinese brands, BLT became a leader in promoting Chinese elevators overseas. Domestically, it's a contracted supplier of multiple large-scale railway transit projects, say Beijing airports, Xiamen Shenzhen high-speed rail, Nanning East Station, Beijing subway, Guangzhou metro, Nanjing underground, Harbin subway, Dalian subway, and Shenyang metro. It has supplied over 20,000 elevators to government social housing projects, and its customers comprise numerous hotels, schools, hospitals, shopping malls, and residential buildings. Whereas internationally, its achievements include the 2018 Russia World Cup Stadium project, the first Chinese elevator supplier to supply to a World Cup venue, Singapore Housing Development Board's 2,560 lifts, the largest single-item export in China's elevator industry, and Frankfurt Air Rail's 99 elevators, the largest contract of Chinese elevator brands in the German upscale market. So far, BLT's sales and service network covers over 140 countries and regions, and its overseas strategic layout is also progressing aggressively. It has set up fully owned subsidiaries, shareholding subsidiaries, and overseas offices in countries like Peru, Mongolia, Singapore, Australia, Algeria, Papua New Guinea, and manufacturing plants in India and Iran. Always committed to the grand dream of China's revival, BLT keeps building up with quality. New Delhi Subway, Seoul Metro Station, Fiji International Airport. All around the world, BLT elevators are serving by trillions of person times daily. Near or far, they all speak of BLT's lofty aspiration. Guided by such code of conduct as practicality, sincerity, reason, the unity of knowledge and action, BLT invites all global partners to join hands in building for a better world. Adhering to the business concept of win the market with technology, create value with services, and focused on the development strategy of proprietary brands, proprietary intellectual property rights, proprietary marketing and sales network, CNYD continues to achieve higher with the rest of this lovely world.